Hey everyone, I'm back. This time I am going to be working on the ankle and the toes. So most of you, I know you're aware, but I'd just like to inform you again that the foot plays a major part in absorbing the ground forces and transferring it to various other joints. So maintaining foot stability, maintaining correct functional movement of the foot is a very important factor to prevent injuries and imbalances in the joint. So all of us do ankle rotations, but most of us kind of do not go into a 360 movement, 360 degree. So please make sure that when you are doing an ankle rotation, you're going in all directions. So when you're going this side, you're feeling a stretch here. When you're going down, you feel a stretch in your shins. When you rotate to the right, you're feeling a stretch on the calf. And then when you bring it up, the exact calf. We do this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and anti-clockwise. You do it on both feet. I'm just showing it to you on one. Then a very important stretch which I feel should be done at least 3 to 4 times a day. You can stand on any slightly higher surface and you stretch forward. Now the idea is here to stretch this part of the ankle, which is the mobility and the stability of this area is very important, especially for runners. Because if you do not have that stability, again, injury will happen. So you feel this stretch starting from your shins down to your ankle. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch sides. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. My favorite, I love working with the tennis ball because you can carry it anywhere, you can release, you can strengthen, you can use it for mobility. Here I'm going to be using it to open up my toes. Also, a lot of us have very tight toes, which also cause various imbalances in the body. Also, the toes actually play a very important role in maintaining balance while we are walking. So let's work on the toes now. You place the ball right at the end of your toe joints and you press down, trying to open up your toes. I'm wearing socks, so unfortunately you won't be able to see, but still saying that, open up your toes, bring the ball forward and press down. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change sides. I'm doing this again because I love this stretch. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And out. Thank you so much and everybody have a great day.